Welcome to the project demonstration of agriculture robots, which is controlled through the Bluetooth mobile phone. So in this version, we have added the extra sensors like humidity and water level sensor. So based on the water content, it will indicate the user about the water should be on or off. And here DHT11, the humidity and temperature sensor, continuously provide us the so-called humidity values and temperature values that will be displayed on the LCD screen. If the humidity is high, then it will provide us the buzzer alerts. So the humidity limits are like 75%. If the humidity is above the 75%, so we'll get the audible alerts. And next, if the moisture content is more than the threshold value, so it will beeps, not the continuously buzzer, this will beeps indication. And if any obstacle detects while the robot is moving, with the help of this ultrasonic sensor, we are going to detect the obstacle, and if it is moving in forward movement, then robot automatically stops. So the buzzer will provide the continuously audible alert to indicate the obstacle detection, and the robot won't move in forward movement, so that we can change the direction of the robots through the Bluetooth mobile phone. So here the commands will be sent from the Android mobile phone Bluetooth, and that will be received by this HC05 Bluetooth module. So this one is the HC05 Bluetooth module. So the commands will be given to the microcontroller. The commands are like forward, backward, left, right, F, B, L, R, stop for S, and two motor on and off. The seed motor is capital C, small c, on for capital C, off, small c, and the next water pumping motor, capital A on, small a off. So these are the commands. So that will be decoded by the microcontroller. Based on the conditions, we are going to control the robot movements. So two DC motors attached to the robots for the forward, backward, left, right, and stop movements. So to control this robot in four directions, we are making use of this L293D motor driver. So which can control the two DC motors in bi-direction. Means forward motion nothing but, so these two motors in forward, backward, two motor backward, left. So this motor will rotate in the backward direction and this forward direction, right? So reverse of this left motion, and stop, both motors will be stop only. And to control the seed motor and water pumping motor, we are making use of this electromagnetic relays, two electromagnetic relays. One relay to on the seed motor, off the seed motor, and another relay to on this water pumping. So coming to the interfacing connections. So we have interfaced this soil moisture sensor at A0, ultrasonic sensor at B0, B1, and a DHT11 at A2 pin of our PIC16F73 microcontroller. And right, two electromagnetic relays interface at the A2 and A3. A1 for this DHT11, A0 for this soil moisture sensor, and A2, A3 for these two electromagnetic relays, and C0 to C3 for L293D motor driver, and B0, B1 for this SR04. Pin number B2 to B7 for this LCD screen, and pin number C7 for the Bluetooth module, and buzzer at pin number C4. So these are all the input and output interfacing connections to our PIC16F73 microcontroller. So the whole system getting power supply from this 12 volt 2 amps battery pack. So this battery pack consists of 6 batteries. So in that 3 batteries are in series. So each battery is a 4 volt 1 amp are in series, so that we will get the 12 volt 1 amp, and these two are in parallel, so we will get 12 volt 2 amp. So which is a rechargeable battery. In order to recharge the battery, this is the charger for that. Connect the T at the T slots, B at this B slots, and keep this aside. So while charging, take care of, it should not touch any iron body parts or any battery. And you can on the power supply to this transformer, then there will be LED indication the battery is charging now. So it will take around of 8 hours, means you can keep the charging overall night. So it won't to go with the high charging or overcharging, as the charging circuit will protect the batteries from overcharging. Right. So once the time completion, you can switch off this power supply to the charging circuit and keep aside. So there we can see the on off switch. Right. So this is the on off switch, on and off. So before on the kit, we need to install application in your mobile phone. So that is HC05, which is available in the Play Store directly. So this is the application available in the Play Store. Right. So this is the application available in the Play Store. Install that, and after installation, switch on the power supply. There we can see the Bluetooth module blinking very fast. So the lights are blinking very fast. So it's need to pair to the mobile phone. So now initially we need to pair from the settings. That's only first time setup. So it's already paired. So just unpairing, I'm showing from starting onwards. So available device SC05. So the password is 1234 is a password. So after pairing from this, it will be in our history. So we can see the SC05. So now pair. After pairing from here, you can see the blinking is not there on the Bluetooth module, right? So initially it will come with only 5 rows of button. Go to settings and add the 2 rows. Okay. Then after it will come in this manner. So it will button 1 to button 10. So click on the button like this and change it to name forward and type small f and deselect these two and save that. So like this, backward small b, deselect these two, left small l, deselect these two, like that. Same for a water motor on, as we discussed, capital A, small a for water motor off, and capital C for seed on, small c for seed off, like FLBRS, capital A small a, capital C small c, right? And now let us see the demonstration on the floor. Right, let us see that. So go the forward motion. So whenever obstacle detects, automatically stops. So then it is the backward and stop. Same for left. And next seeds motor. So the hole will take the seed and it will drop on the floor. Seed motor off. And the next water motor. So you can see the water pumping. Okay, water off. So, and we can see the so-called status continuously on the LCD screen, the temperature in degree centigrade and humidity percentage, and water level is low, and the obstacle distance is 78 centimeters.